Are you looking for new gardening or work gloves? Well, I got these cuties by Salah Armor. Now, this is the giraffe style, but as you can see, it looks more like a deer or an elk or a caribou, something along those lines. I thought it was super cute, so I went with this design. But I also love the purple. Um, what else do I love about this? Touchscreen phone use. This material is a leather-like material, so it's a like a leather microfiber, but it really does provide a nice amount of grip. So let me give you a close up there. And these touchscreen work great. So I use them more for working, lifting heavy things, anything I need a little extra grip for. I do love that there's padding in the palm of this glove too, but super cute design, nice and breathable. It truly is. And I think you will absolutely love them.